My friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now, friends. In this video we are talking about StormX coin. As you know, only and only fast occurring in StormX coin at this time. Now at this time, all the cryptocurrencies falls down at this time, friends. As you can see here, I don't know why they falls down. All whole cryptocurrencies falls down except the Sapmoon and Panda DAO coin. Except these two coins, all cryptocurrencies falls down at this time, friends. If you look the StormX coin at this time, friends, so as you can see here, at this time StormX falls occur last 1 hour change negative, last 1 day change negative, last 1 week change also in negative, friends. And if we talk about the price of StormX, so every hour by hour, day by day falls occur in StormX coin. Now the current price is about 0.044373 USD dollar is the current price. Now let's see the price prediction chart for more details. So before starting this interesting video, before seeing this chart, kindly subscribe now ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates, friends. Now the last 1 day chart on the screen, friends. If we look the price change occur in StormX in the last 1 day, so the change is about negative 6.55%, and the high price is about 0.048904 USD dollar is the high price of StormX coin and the last 1 day, friends. So absolutely a very falling period of the StormX coin. It's a bad time of StormX coin. So what should you do at this time, friends? I think it's the best time to hold StormX coin. If you are a holder, so please hold it. And if you want to buy StormX coin, so you also know the result of the StormX coin in the cryptocurrencies market. Day by day, hour by hour falls occur in the StormX coin, friends. So please don't buy it this time StormX coin. If you want to buy, so please when they start explosion, it's the best time for you to buy StormX coin. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates.